Listen to everybody. Myself Ravin Ranekare, ESC Part 3rd Semester 5th, Unit number 2, Muscle Physiology. The aspect is the physical and chemical changes during muscle contraction. First of all, we see the physical changes during muscle contraction. Band short due to inward sliding movement of actin filament. Head discs disappear. Length of A band remain constant throughout the process. Sarcomere shorten, viscosity of the sarcoplasm increases, isometric contraction of muscle is subjected to a considerable increase of tonicity. During muscle contraction, heat is produced. Resting potential of sarcolemma is distributed during muscle contraction. All the physical changes are also happen into the or during the muscle contraction. Then chemical changes during the muscle contraction. The chemical changes during the muscle contraction are of two types: changing in myosin and actin molecule to form the complex molecule, and another that change liberating ATP for muscle contraction. Change in myosin and actin molecule to form complex molecule. Here, calcium are released from sarcoplasmic reticulum. Calcium ion bind to troponin. They add changes in conformation. Third one, that is the myosin react with ATP to form myosin ATP complex. In the presence of potassium ion and actin, actomycin ATP is formed. This complex, when the calcium and magnesium are added to split the ATP, that is the inorganic phosphate forming the actomycin ADP complex, which then break down to free actin and free myosin and ADP. Thus, then the ADP is re-phosphorylated to ATP, and then the ADP molecule is converted to ATP molecule in several ways. Here, the constitute the chemical changes show the liberating the energy or liberation of energy for during the muscle contraction in chemical reaction. Okay, then chemical reaction show the energy liberation for muscle contraction. Changes then changes liberating ATP molecule for muscle contraction. Here, the immediately energy source of muscle contraction is ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is present only in the small quantity at given time in muscle. ATP is required for a concentration is muscle generated in muscle by different process, that is the lactic acid formation or myokinase action. In lactic acid formation, a muscle can continue contact in the absence of oxygen during the period of rapid activity when the respiratory system cannot supply the sufficient oxygen for need of the muscle. Under the circumstances, the pyruvic acid that would normally be oxidized to carbon dioxide and water during the oxidative metabolism is transferred into the lactic acid. Under the influence of enzyme lactic dehydrogenase, hydrogen is removed from the reduced NAD and to form the solution of this reaction. Here in lactic acid formation, when we do the various exercise, at that time the म्हणजे अशा वेळेस आपल्याला थकवा येते आणि आपली मसल एकदम दुखतात. ओके, बट आपण सर्टन लिमिट आपण आणि अशा वेळेस लॅक ऑफ ऑक्सिजन होते मसलला. अशा वेळेस जर आपण जर तुमचा रेस्ट घेतला फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ सेकंड, तर आपले मसल पुन्हा काय होतात, असे फुलतात नाही, तर ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट होतात, तर पुन्हा रिलॅक्स होतात. रिलॅक्स झाली की मोकळं होतं. पण बट एक्सरसाइज केल्यानंतर ऑक्सिजनचा लिमिट जे सप्लाय आहे ती कमी होते आणि ती पोझिशन म्हणजे लॅक्टिक ऍसिड फॉर्मेशन. Okay, then another, that is the myokinase action. In that action, the further ATP source in muscle is attribute the presence of an enzyme myokinase. The muscle enzyme catalyzes the transfer of high energy phosphate from one molecule of ADP to another to form ATP and adenosine monophosphate. That is the ATP and adenosine monophosphate. This cycle is called as polycycle. Resting muscle and also muscle with great oxidation capacity derive a large portion of their energy for the oxidation of fatty acid and cetoacetate and to a lesser extent glucose. This is all about the chemical changes and physical changes during the muscle contraction or during the exercise. Okay, thank you all of you.